This is how you can turn on pointer cursor on your iPhone and make navigation a lot easier. If you are new here, I'm Janet and I share simple and powerful tips like this to help you master your devices and grow your digital skills. Open your phone settings and scroll till you find accessibility. Click on it, scroll down, click on touch, click assistive touch, turn this on. And now we have triggered the mouse. But right now the mouse is not functioning yet. To make it function, under this custom action, click the arrow that says open menu, scroll down till you are able to find tab, click on it. Then go ahead and tap on this white dot and the mouse cursor will be activated. But the only disadvantage of this is that you can't scroll. You can only move backward. You can't do any other thing than moving backward. Now let's fix that. To fix this, we are going to be using a Bluetooth wireless mouse, okay? This is not a promotional video, but I think this particular one is very simple to use. When you open it up, you will find a USB receiver and also a charger. It comes with the two of them like that. Before you start using it, you need to plug it to light for it to charge, okay? In this case, I already charged it. So when you turn the mouse over and you push it to the back, that is when you want to use the USB input, okay? When you push it back, it means the Bluetooth is active. And to turn it off, just push it to the middle and the mouse will be off. Now, the first thing we are going to do is to turn on your Bluetooth and we are going to connect this particular mouse, okay? Go ahead and click on pair. The next step is to open your iPhone settings, tap on accessibility, scroll down, tap on touch, tap on assistive touch, then go ahead and turn it on. Voila! Now your mouse is activated and you are good to go. Now let me show you a few settings you can do to make your mouse more interesting. Still under assistive touch, scroll down and you will see sound click. Turn it on if you want to have a sound whenever you click on something. Scroll down again and under tracking sensitivity, you can increase the speed of your mouse, how fast you want your mouse to respond to you. You can increase it or decrease it, just like the way you can see it on the screen. You can see when I push it to the back, it was very slow to respond. And when I push it forward, it was fast in responding. So you can increase the speed the way you like. Another thing you can do is to change the color of your mouse. To do that, you're going to go back 2 steps. Scroll down till you are able to see pointer control. Click on it. Now turn this on. To make your pointer bigger, increase the size here. If you want more speed, increase the speed of your pointer here. To change the color of your pointer, click on color. Go ahead and change it to your favorite color. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips like this. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!